Today we're going to take a look at the Zelcore wallet. I'm going to show you how to download it and install it. It's a wallet used for Flux and Kadena, and we're going to use this wallet in the future for multiple projects. So I want to just give you an overview of it and how to install it on your computer. Welcome back to the APY Guy Crypto and DeFi channel, where I try to bring you the best projects and information in the crypto space. If you like crypto and decentralized finance, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. To begin this process, we're going to go to fluxos.network, and then we'll see the Zelcore label here, and we're going to go to try it now. And then we're going to go to whatever type of, there's one for the handheld devices for your Apple or Samsung device. We're going to go to Windows today, so we're going to click on Windows, and then they're going to ask us if we want to do portable or desktop. We're going to do desktop, and it's going to download the program here. Once it's finished downloading, it'll be on our desktop. We'll double click on Zelcore and it'll bring it up. And then we don't have, it says please log into your account. We don't have an account yet, so we're going to go to sync or register account on this device. And we're going to go ahead and set up a username. So I'm going to set mine up as APY Guy. And I'm going to enter a password. And confirm a password. Now we're going to hit sync or register. And it's going to ask me if I've backed up. So this is where you want to write this information down. So let's pause the video. Pause the video to make sure you could write down your information, your username and your password. And then we're going to click yes, I have backed up both my username and password. Now we're going to hit sync or register account on this device. Now we're going to go ahead and log in with our password. And we'll hit log in. So I'll say welcome to Zelcore. Let's say a bunch of stuff saying it's the first time you've ever been on this device. It's going to give us some stuff that we need to do. We need to remember to do. Set up a password recovery backup. Write down your username and password, which we've done. Back up your private keys, which we're going to do. Trust anyone with your keys, ever. Good advice. Close that. And this is the interface for it. It's a really cool wallet. I have another one on a different computer. This is really cool, and Flux and Kadena are both really good assets. I'm very interested in accumulating both of them over the bear market. There's a lot of options to this wallet. The only thing we're worried about is going to portfolio and to on-ramp crypto. So we would go to Kadena and click on it, and we would go to receive, and then we would copy and paste our Kadena address onto KuCoin, which that's where I would send it from. So you would send Kadena from KuCoin to our Zelcore wallet. So that's all I wanted to cover today, just to show you how to set this wallet up for future protocols that we're going to be working with. If you could like and subscribe if you haven't already, I appreciate it. Thank you for watching and have a great day.